Welcome back to TechWindowsFreeway, your go-to channel for all things tech-related. Today, we are diving into a topic that many users may find themselves grappling with: how to permanently disable the Windows 10 firewall. Whether you are troubleshooting connectivity issues, installing third-party security software, or simply seeking more control over your network settings, understanding how to navigate and manage your firewall settings is crucial. Join us as we walk you through the steps to effectively and safely disable the Windows 10 firewall, ensuring you have the knowledge to tailor your system to your specific needs. Click on the Start button. Click Settings in the left sidebar. In the Settings window, click on Update Security. Then, select Windows Security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on the Open Windows Security button. In the Windows Security window, select Home in the left sidebar, and on the right click on Firewall Network Protection. Then, click Public Network. Under the Microsoft Defender Firewall section, turn off the toggle switch. When Windows prompts, click Yes button to confirm. This will permanently disable Windows Firewall on your Windows 11 PC. After performing your specific task, you should turn on the toggle switch to protect your computer from online as well as offline threats. And there you have it, folks. You've learned the ins and outs of permanently disabling the Windows 10 firewall. Remember, while disabling your firewall may offer certain conveniences or troubleshooting benefits, it also opens your system to potential security risks. Exercise caution and consider alternative solutions or additional security measures if needed. Be sure to subscribe to TechWindowsFreeway for more tech tips, tutorials, and insights to help you navigate the digital landscape with confidence. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.